Celebrate. At Perkins, breakfast is just the beginning.
Fox tonight. Get ready for the exciting 2-hour season premiere of House. Fox Monday starts right now. Viewer discretion is advised.
Can I hum?
National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Houston County and southeastern Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size and damaging winds over 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 10 miles southwest of Cooper, or 28 miles north of Huntsville, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Crockett and Cooper. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Wait until at least 30 minutes after the storm ends to resume outdoor activities.
House is sponsored by Lincoln, introducing the new 2010 Lincoln MKS with the available EcoBoost